Hello students, today we are going to look at stem and leaf plots. A stem and leaf plot is a statistical table that is comprised of a stem and a leaf. It is used to display quantitative data. Okay. Let us now look at example number 1. The amounts of 10 cups of salt in grams are shown below. Draw a stem and leaf plot. So, we are having 10 cups of salt. So, it is shown in grams. We have got 56, 58, 67, 72, 61, 63, 76, 50, 64, and 79. So, we have to draw a stem and leaf plot to display this data. So, we are going to have a stem here, and then we have the leaf this side. Okay? We are going to determine the data that we have. We have 50s. This is 1, 2, and 3. Those are 50s. So we have 5. Then 60s, we have this one, we have this one, we have this one, and this one. Okay? Then we have 70s. We have this one, and this one. We write a 7. Now, we are going to write, if I have a number like 56, I divide it into 2. If this is 1s and this is 10s, then it means that 10s will be stem and 1s will be leaf. Okay? Now, I will write these numbers from smallest to the biggest. And now, let me first of all write 5. Next, I write 6. And I write 7. Now, and I will begin with 50s. I have 56, I have 58, and I have 50. I write them from small to big, so I begin with 50. 50, I already have 5, so I write a 0. Okay? Next, I got 56. 56, I will write 6, since I already have 5. Next is 58. I will write 8. Okay? I go to 60s. 60s, I have 67, I have 61, and 63, then 64. So I begin with 61. So I write 1. Next, I should go to 63. I write 3. Next, I should go to 64. I write 4. Next, I should go to 67. And I write 7. Okay? Now I go to 70s. 70s, I have 72. I have 76. And I have 79. So I'll begin with 72 because it is small. And I will write just only 2 because I already have 7. Next is 76. So I write 6. Next is 79. I will simply write 9. So this is what we call a stem and leaf plot. Remember that for the stem, we write from small to big. Okay? Begin with the smallest number to the biggest number. Also for the leaf, you need also write from small to big. Okay? So that is how we can draw a leaf. Sorry, that's how we can draw a stem and leaf plot. Example number 2. The weights of 22 students in secondary 2 in kilograms are shown below. A. Draw a stem and leaf plot. B. How much do most students weigh? C. What is the ratio of the students who weigh more than 40 kilograms but less than 55 kilograms to all the students? Okay, so now let's get the solution. We need to draw a stem and leaf plot. Remember, here we have stem and here we have leaf. And remember, we need to write the data points from small to big. Now, according to this, the smallest data point is 35. So another one, we get another 35. The next one will be 38. Then another one we will have 39. Let us now first write 30s. So I write 3 and I write 5 here for 35. Another 35, I write another 5. Then 38, I write 8. 39, I write 9. Next, I will go to 40s. Okay? So, let me first look for 40s. So we have got 40, we have 44, we have 44, we have 44, we have 48, we have 49, we have 41, and we have 44. Okay? Now we write a 4. Then The first one is 40. So we write a 0. Next one is 41. We write 1. Next one is 44. Actually, 44 is there 4 times. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we say 4, 4, 4, and 4. Okay? So next, we got 48. We write 8. And 49. We write 9. Okay? Next, we got 50s. Okay? 50s. We have 52. We have 57. We have 50. We have 54. We have 56. We have 54. We have 50. And we have 53. Then we will write 5 on the part of the stem. Remember, we have to write from small to big. So I begin with 50. So I write 0. I have another 50. So I write another 0. Next is 52. So I write 2. Next is 53. I write 3. Next is 54. Okay? Actually, 54 is there 2 times. So we have this one and this one. So I write 4 and 4. Next is 56. 56. This one. So I write 6. And next is 57. I write 7. Okay? Now we will go to 60s. So we have this one and this one. Then we write 6. So we begin with 60. We write a 0. Next we write 61. That will be 1. So this is what we call the stem and leaf plot. So part B, how much do most students weigh? How much do most students weigh? So already you can see that most students have 44. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students have 54 kilograms. So this means that most students weigh 44 kilograms. Okay? Then, for part C, what is the ratio? What is the ratio of the students who weigh more than 40 kilograms but less than 55 to all the students? So we need the ratio of students who weigh 40 kilograms but less than 55 to all students. Remember, all students are 22. So we need to know how many students weigh more than 40 kilograms but less than 55 kilograms. So we get back here. This is 40, but we need more than 40. So this means that we do not include 40. We begin from 41. And less than 55. So we stop here at 54. So these are the students that we are talking about. So how many are they? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we say that the ratio is 13 to 22. Final example. Turtles of the same species live in two habitats. The body length of each turtle is measured in millimeters and recorded in the table below. A. Draw a stem and leaf plot using the same stem. B. Which habitat is more suitable for the growth of turtles? Now, let us now get the solution. So, we will have one stem and then two leaves, A and B. Now we will begin with habitat A. Now for habitat A, we have got 50 as the smallest data point. So we write 5. So other 50s, we have 53, we have 58, we have 55, we have 50, we have another 55. So let's have that 50, so we write a 0, another 50, we write another 0, then 53, we write 3, then 55 and 55, so that is 5 and 5, then the last one is 58. Okay, we go for habitat B. We have got 55 and 59. So we have 5 and 9. Okay, we move on to habitat A. The next one we have 60. So 60, we have 65, we have 69, we have 64, we have 62. So we write 6 and then 0 for 60. Then we write 2 for 62. Then we write 4 for 64. Next, we write 5 for 65. And lastly, we write 9 for 69. We move on to habitat B. We have 60, 68, 64, 69, 63, and 69. So we write 0 for 60. Next we write 3 for 63. Next we write 4, that is 64. Next we write 8, that is 68. Then we write 9 and 9 for 69. Okay, then we go to 70 for habitat A, such that we have 71 and 70. So we will write 7 and then 0 for 70, then 1 for 71. So then we go to habitat B. We have 73, 77, 70, 72, and 75. So we begin with 70, we write a 0. Next is 72, we write 2. Next is 73, we write 3. Next is 75, we write 5. Next is 77. So this is the stem and leaf plot. Okay. Now let us go to part B. Which habitat is more suitable for the growth of turtles? So we can see that habitat B is more suitable for the growth of turtles than habitat B. This is because the body length of turtles in habitat B has longer length than the length of turtles in habitat A. So we will say that the correct answer is habitat B. Thank you so much.